10 reasons why owning a classic car is so freaking awesome. Number 10, style. Classic cars are a reminder of a time when car manufacturers designed vehicles with style and class. A beautiful piece of art, if you will. Americans, for example, fell in love with the automobile back in the 1940s and 50s and looked forward to the new model designs released every September. The cars people would purchase were a reflection of their own personal style and taste. Number 9, car clubs. Owning a classic car and driving it around is one thing, but getting to share your common interests with other car buffs is another. Joining a car club is a fun way to make new friends, participate in car shows, and take cool little road trips. Members usually enjoy a little friendly competition as well. Number 8, super easy to work on. Let's face it, just opening the hood of a modern-day automobile requires a degree of mechanical engineering. But when opening the hood of a classic, you see nothing but a big, beautiful engine with lots of space to work on it. You're not hampered by miles of wires, hoses, and smog control crap piled layer upon layer. Lots of wonderful open space where busting your knuckles is a lot less likely to happen. That alone makes it all worth it. Number 7, the sound of the engine. Now this one is particularly awesome when you have a beefy V8 with dual exhaust. The sound is just amazing and a real attention getter. Whether you're revving that bad boy up or sitting idle at a traffic signal, it just puts a smile on one's face like nothing else can. Number 6, driving experience. There's nothing like cruising down the road in a beautiful classic automobile. Whether it's a nice smooth ride of a big heavy car or looking down that long shiny hood, listening to the sounds, or grabbing the attention of others. It's an experience you won't find with any new car. Number 5, great investment. Picking a great classic car can really be a worthwhile investment, but just like real estate, values go up and down. If you're planning on buying and flipping a car, make sure you've got your timing right with the market. Most people find that they usually come out ahead when selling their classic, or at the very least, break even. Number 4, smog exemptions. Now this one is an awesome perk to owning a classic. Today's new vehicles are required to meet strict air quality standards set by the government. But if your car is over 40 years old, you are granted exemptions from these rules. And thank goodness for that. Let's admit it, old cars are not exactly eco-friendly. And of course we can't forget the nice little cost savings every year too. Number 3, insurance benefits. Along with not having to pay for smog, you also have the benefit of lower auto insurance cost. But you have to get a specialized policy that's specifically designed for your particular classic. Some insurance companies will allow you to give a stated value for what you want the car to be covered for. Shop around for the best price and remember to Yelp the agent or company you intend on dealing with. Number 2, the cool factor. I don't think there's a classic car owner on the planet that would argue with me on this one. Owning and driving a classic is just the coolest thing ever. So throw on some bitchin' shades and get behind the wheel, because people are gonna love you when they see you rolling their way. Eat that love up. And finally, number 1, nostalgia. We spoke a lot on today's show about some of the feelings people get from owning and driving their baby. Merriam-Webster's dictionary defines nostalgia as, quote, wistful or excessively sentimental yearning for return to or of some past period, end quote. A lot of enthusiasts like to purchase cars from a time back when they were in high school or the military. Some cars may bring back memories of a lost love or a special person. So these cars are more than just metal, rubber, and plastic. They're a time capsule of joy and memories that not only bring happiness to the owner, but to others as well. That was 10 reasons why owning a classic car is so freaking awesome. Do you agree with our list? Or was there something we missed? Leave a comment down below, and remember to like, share, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to keep up to date on all of our new material. This is Leonard Kalt. Thanks for watching.